Today I'm cooking a delicious crispy fried kangkong, water spinach or pak bung krop in Thai. It is good as a snack or as a side dish with a meal. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 80 grams of water spinach or kangkong in Malay. Wash and cut. This is what it looks like before cutting. I recommend cutting the kangkong in about 2 to 3 inches long and selecting only the very young part like this. 6 tablespoons of homemade crispy flour mix. This was made recently. 75 ml of ice cold water. 1 teaspoon of sugar. 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and about 1 kilogram of cooking oil for deep frying. The full list of ingredients and crispy flour mix recipe are in the see more link. Switch on the heat to medium, add 1 kilogram of cooking oil, and set the time for 10 minutes for the oil to be hot enough for deep frying. While waiting for the oil to heat up, prepare the crispy flour batter. Add all the crispy flour in a large mixing bowl, sugar, and salt. Whisk to combine. Add 75 ml of cold water. Continue to whisk until well combined. For the fried kangkong, we want the crispy flour batter to be quite thin like this. This is the perfect consistency. Leave aside. After 10 minutes, submerge a wooden cooking chopstick into the hot oil. If a lot of bubble forms up, it means that the oil is ready for deep frying. Right before cooking, dip kangkong in the crispy flour batter. Coat it with as much as batter as you can without bruising the leaf. Try not to overload the flour batter with a lot of kangkong at once to prevent the leaves from bruising. Just a few stems will be great. Drift off the excess batter and put the kangkong directly in the hot oil. Continue with the rest of kangkong. Try not to crowd the pan as well. Separate the kangkong that are stuck together. Turn the kangkong to the other side to evenly cook them. Continue frying the kangkong for about 2.5 minutes. As the flour batter turning slightly brown, remove the kangkong from the oil, placing them on a strainer to drift off the excess oil. Rest them on a cooling rack. Continue with the second batch. Dip the kangkong in the batter, drift off the flour batter, put it in the oil, and fry for 2.5 minutes. Once they are crispy, remove from the oil and repeat for the rest of the kangkong. Alright, all done. This is the last kangkong out from the oil. Switch off the heat. I recommend serving immediately to enjoy the crispy texture and sweet taste of the kangkong. Arrange them on a serving plate. Pour some of homemade chicken chili sauce for dipping, and a simple and delicious crispy fried kangkong is ready for lunch. Let's eat! Wow! It is so light and crispy. The flour is very thin and not very oily. The leaves are naturally sweet and melt in the mouth. This is super addicting. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!